Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. But today we will not unleash a Gunpla, and yeah, because we will unleash something about Beyblade again. Yeah, of Beyblade X. So we're more on concentrating on having more Beyblade X than the Burst, because the Burst is already finished. But yeah, some of it I will also have those Burst Beyblades next time. Yeah, but I like the Beyblade X because it's really let's say it's like a matured Beyblade already, because it's more metal, more sturdy, and yeah, it's more fun because they move more than the Burst. Yeah, for me, yeah, I also have some Burst, but yeah, still I need to have some review for that next time. I don't know if I already uploaded that. So yeah, so let's unleash this first. Let's go with my Rusty Pascal Theater. Let's unleash. Let's go. Okay, so we have here your this is your Beyblade X BX03 Wizard Arrow, and also your BX04 Night Shield, and it's already a Takaratomi. Okay, it's Takaratomi, so it's original, the original one. I already have the bootleg one right there at the back, which I still need to make a review for that, and that is the reason why I bought also the original one, because I want a comparison of the bootleg or the fake Beyblade X to the originals. Okay, so that's one of the purpose for that, for the bootlegs. But I purchased first the fake one before having the original one from the Takaratomi, because you know, the budget. But yeah, we have it right now, so why not? So I get here your BX03, the third release Beyblade X, which is the Wizard Arrow. So this is the original color of the Wizard Arrow, which is color yellow, and having a ball beat, am I right? Yeah, the blade, the ratchet, and the performance tip. Yeah, it's called tip, performance tip. So it's a ball tip right there. So that's the original Wizard Arrow that we have. It's ball. And then another one is the Night Shield, which is having a 380 ratchet and a needle type kind of tip right there, performance tip. So it's a 380 needle, and this one is a 480 ball. So 4 because it has 4 striking points, and this one has 3 striking points on its ratchet. But the blade, very nice. So the Wizard Arrow, I think it's like it's all our right turn. And yeah, the owner of these two of these Beyblades are on the same person. I forgot what's the name of that person, because yeah, they're all in they're all in what you call that, katakana, or in Japanese. So I don't know how to pronounce that, or what is the name for that, but they are the same, they're the same person. Okay, and yeah, another one is I got this for a lesser price. They are on this price on malls, which is 899 pesos. I don't know if you can see it. It's 899 in Toys R Us. And this one is from the Toy Kingdom, which is 899 pesos also. Which that's very true, because I already bought some Beyblade from Toys R Us. I know it's on the Toy Kingdom. And am I right, Toy Kingdom or Toys R Us? I forgot, but it's in Ayala, in Bacolod. I bought that, and I also see these, or saw this Beyblade on that mall, on that certain mall, in Ayala. And yeah, it's right, it's 8.99, but I got this only for 650 pesos online. I don't know why they lesser the price for that. I really don't know, but that's a great deal for Beyblade collectors or for Beyblade X collectors like me to have those lesser price. Yeah, because it's, yeah, for the lesser price. So you can collect those original Beyblade for lesser price, so why not? So that's why I get this two together. So for two Beyblade X, 650, so it's only 1,300. Then plus some vouchers and some Shopee coins on Shopee, because it's from Shopee, I only have them as 1,140. So it's a great deal already. And yeah, I would like, because they're lesser price, it's not yet an unboxing, but I just want to have a look on them, yeah, just to be sure if they're really a real Beyblade X. And yeah, they are. So in the Toys R Us, yeah, it's real. You can see it. I can really see how true it is, because the metal of the Beyblade X is very heavy. You really feel it because it's very thick. Okay, so another one for the Wizard Arrow. Let's see, it's from the Toy Kingdom. They're in different malls. Let's see, and yeah, it's also true and original. Okay, so I will have also a separate video for this, for the unboxing, the spin test, and also the test battle for this Beyblade X. And also I will compare them to the fake ones. But first, I will have some reviews on their own, and then have a comparison video for another video. Okay, so yeah, that's our Beyblade X for today, and that's our unleashing of some Beyblade today. Okay, so redundant. Okay, so yeah, so if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification button to inform for my next videos. Okay, so that's it. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Past signing off, and God Lover Show signing off. Yeah, maybe I will need another segment for this Beyblade. I keep on saying that, but still I don't have it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Good